guys, we're here at Dollar General. They gave me a box. It's M-Case 2021 Hot Wheels, and here's the regular treasure hunt. Boom, right here. There it is. And then here's the best part. The 2019 Audi R8 Spider Super Treasure Hunt. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I'd find it, actually. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we got the Super and the regular treasure hunt now for the 2021 M-Case.
You get a Super?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Look at the rubber wheels and everything.
Sweet.
I know, right? Thanks, Josh.
You're welcome, buddy.
Yeah, but I might look through this case and see what else I can find. There's these GTRs I needed. One for the photo, one to keep boxed. Sorry, I'm not holding the camera properly. Here are the GTRs I needed. Still can't believe I found that Super. Oh my gosh. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna put these cars on the pegs really quickly. Ooh, I like that car. I'm taking it. The AMC Rebel. Is the ID chase in here? Nope. I don't think so. No ID chase. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna put these on the pegs really quickly. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we're getting to the bottom of this case. I started recording again. Let's see what we find at the bottom. Oh, look, I see some good stuff. Here's a C10. Needed that one. Let's see what else. Oh, there's some good stuff at the bottom. The Lamborghini Huracan, the Mad Mike, Liberty Walk Huracan. Let's see what else. There's some other cool cars. There's a Tesla Cybertruck, the Mario Kart. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna put these up on the pegs yet again. I'll see you guys at home. Alright, guys, so I'm back from the hunt. And yeah, we got a pretty big haul today. Now the reason why I'm talking about softer is because my parents are in the room and they're sleeping. It's still morning. But I found some good stuff today. And mostly that Super. It's like, wow, like, yo, can't believe I found that, but we'll get to that in a little. First, let's review what we found here. First up is the Liberty Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Mad Mike's Drift Huracan. There's a speciality on the back if you guys want to pause the video to read that. The car itself has like kind of like a camo decoration to it. It has like different wheels for the back and front. There's a front right there. There's tampos right there for the lights. That's good. Not on the back, but it's a really detailed car. That's one thing for sure. Really cool car. Part of the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series, new for 2021. Had to get that one. Next up is the 67 Chevy C10 truck. Part of the Hot Wheels hot trucks. Now, gotta make some room here because I'm doing this on the living room coffee table. It's part of 4 out of 10 from the Hot Wheels hot trucks. It's got like Goodyear on the side here. The Hot Wheels logo right here. Has like silver trim 5-spoke wheels. The Chevy bow tie back here. There's the front. It's the back. That one's a cool one. I had to get that one. It's freaking dope. Next up is the AMC Rebel machine. Part of the Muscle Mania series, 5 out of 10. Has Goodyear again, sponsoring Goodyear as well as this one. Muscle Mania. Gotta love this car, dude. It's a freaking muscle car. Had to get it. Look at the front of that. Boom. Thing is mean. It's really cool. It has like red rims on it with like red, white, and blue. There's a blue stripe across it right there. And a red stripe across the top right here. Really cool car. Really cool car. And next up is the, here, let's, 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. Again, part of the Muscle Mania series, 3 out of 10. Plymouth Roadrunner, dude. Freaking dope car. It's got a Hemi. I can tell because it says Hemi right here. Well, all these Dodges like these with Hemis, I guess. Okay, look at that thing, dude. Thing is beautiful, dude. It has like red, yellow coming down right here. It's got like those cool rims on it. Red and yellow. Kind of reminds me of mustard and ketchup. But yeah, that's a great car to get. So if you guys do see this one, I recommend you guys picking it up because I'm assuming it's good for the track too because it's like high profile. So be on the lookout for this one if you're looking for a good track car. And here is the Liberty Walk Nissan GTR. People are searching for this one good, man, I'm telling you. It's part of the Hot Wheels J Import series, 8 out of 10. This is Liberty Walk, LBWK. Right here, there's Liberty Walk. Number 12, Hot Wheels. There's a big diffuser on the back and the rear spoiler. You got your front part right there. That's a really nice GTR, dude. It has like a huge body kit on it. I think it's dope. And we got a Disney Steamboat. Thought this one was cool. I got one for my uncle because he's a really great Mickey fan, and he collects them. So I got one for him too. It's got a special feature. I don't know what that is. Let's check on the back. Oh, it has a rotating rudder here. There's a speciality on the back if you guys wanted to see it. And I forgot to show the speciality of these, I think. Oh, this one I already showed. This one I forgot. There's a Liberty Walk Nissan GTR speciality. And yeah, this one has a speciality too. There it is again. Dude, this one's sick, dude. Not gonna lie. It always comes up on like Disney movies, like the animated ones, like the like beginning of it shows like Steamboat Willie just whistling. Thought it was pretty cool. New for 2021. Be on the lookout for this one because this one I'm assuming is gonna be worth a little in a bit more years. And here we have the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck, regular treasure hunt. There's the front. You got your yellow silhouette looking stripes going down. I don't know exactly what this type of decal is, but it's got like a thing going down, stripe. Sponsoring Goodyear. What's up with this Goodyear stuff, man? But yeah, it's got Goodyear on there. The circle flame logo right here tells you it's a regular treasure hunt. And you can't really see the logo because it's a truck, but there's the wording right down here. Congratulations, this symbol means you just found a collectible treasure hunt car. And yeah, part of the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. Dodge. Here's the best part. Okay. The 2019 Audi R8 Spider, part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series. Look at that thing, dude. It's got shiny 5-spoke rims. The front part's right there. It's got front decals. That's good. Rear decals. I can't believe I pulled this out. Like, still, like, every time I find a super, it's like, whoa, I found another one. But yeah, I don't know what's been going on. I've been finding these supers just like everywhere. Last time I found another one at Dollar General was a Golf Porsche. And yeah, I found another one, the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Here's the logo if you guys wanted to see it. There it is. You barely see it. Right there. Look at the rubber tires on that thing, dude. It's just sick. Really cool car. Part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series yet again. 4 out of 10. Spectra Flame Blue. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the TH. You can't really see it though because I have bad lighting. It's like right there. Right there, you can see it barely right there. On the top, right there. But yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please remember to leave a like, share, and yeah, I'm out for this one. Peace. Stay safe during COVID, wear your masks, and get vaccinated.